Hi, Warriors. This is Mrs. Schnaufer, your technology coach. I'm here today to share with you how to get onto Classlink. The first thing you're going to want to do is launch your Google Chrome browser and head on over to salamanca.ny.org, our school website. Once that's loaded up, you will notice that there is a gray bar right in the middle of the page, and Classlink is the last icon in that gray bar. Go ahead and give it a click. This will lead you to our login page for Classlink. You're going to enter your school username, which is your first name dot last name, and your school password, and sign in. Classlink's desktop will load up. Please note that when you are using Classlink, you may be asked to load up a Google Chrome extension for Classlink. If you'll notice in my browser bar, there's a little blue icon with a cloud in it. That's just a little extension that helps some of our single sign-ons work. Now that we're here on the dashboard, you can see a bunch of very colorful little icons. These all represent URLs or websites. We call them apps. So if you see an app that has a key on it, that key will store a username and password. And being that this is all web-based, it doesn't matter what web browser you're going on your phone or on one computer or switching to another computer. Once you've logged into Classlink, your usernames and passwords are all saved for you. You'll notice, depending on what school you're in, you may have different folders or different apps available to you. Prospect apps are here in this yellow folder, and Seneca apps are in an orange folder, and high school apps are in a blue folder. We also have a folder for maker apps and project resources. So what you're going to do is figure out what apps you need to use, and then you're going to navigate on over them to use them. Enjoy using Classlink. It's been a great tool for us. Teachers are adding things all the time, so you never know what new you might find in here. Have a great day.